returning to our pilots today at Western. What of interest is that our show director reminded me that white smoke, that's just very fine oil that is spraying onto the exhaust. He said it's rather like baby oil. Interesting. Now then, a couple of words as they come round towards the beach line. We have two lovely ladies on top of the upper wing, rather than me, that's for sure. Go smoke on once again. And they're giving some wave, look at their hands moving back and forth. Let's give a wave back. Hello for real. Now we've got Gina on number one aircraft. Would you believe Gina's a qualified freefall skydiver as well as being a wing walker? And she practiced her skydiving a long time, she tells me. And she's even given this display in Dubai recently. And she says when she's not wing walking, she enjoys skiing scuba diving. On the top wheel is Kate, local, born and bred in the Cotswolds. And she works on a farm when she's not wing walking with the Brighton team. That's Kate on the top wing. Says here she's something she's always wanted to do. She wrote to them and said, can I have a job past the interview? And here she is today waving in from the upper wing of this Boeing CA aircraft. Now, the history of wing walking, it began in the 1920s in what they called the barnstorming era, when air shows were not quite as regulated as they are today, and people would get out of the cockpit and climb onto the wing, and bumping over forward, picking up speed as they go past. And the girls waving at us, we get away! Flying instructor, works up at Cambridge and Duxford, where the Imperial War Museum has got a fleet of aircraft, of course. All of our display pilots have different backgrounds in aviation. They bring them to the display today, all that experience and knowledge they have of flying. And here we are, I think the wing walkers are in sort of lying prostrate. Yes, I think they are. Look at that lovely pose they're holding there. This company owned by the very famous Vic Norman. He started this aerial display company, a very well-known face in the aerobatic world is Vic, a friend of all of ours. He's pioneered this company, which is now very successfully operating all over the world with the Brighton wing walking team. Now, can you see that the line goodness, we're holding on to the side just with one hand. Number two, David, is a very keen motorcyclist when he's not displaying here at Rhyl. Lives in the Cotswolds. And he does some volunteer work for the Cotswolds Canals Trust, would you believe? Marvellous. And it says here, he likes eating Jaffa cakes. He's probably going to need it this afternoon. Here they come once again towards you on the cloud line. Smoke goes on once again. That's that very fine oil that we spray on the exhaust to give the effect. And don't forget, give them a wave. Here they come. course you can hear as they almost go supersonic. So we're enjoying the bottom-storming, brightening wing walking team this afternoon at Rhyl. Quite a rare and unusual event for us to see at the air show. But we're privileged to have them here this afternoon. Thanks to Dick Gordon and his team. Lying sideways on the top of the ring waving at us. Coming round once again, onto the ground line, the brightening wing walking team. Yes, I understand that was the Silver Lady pose just given by the ladies on the top of the wing there. So what do you like to see on a Rolls Royce? Absolutely marvellous. Aerobatic team in the course of a year will perform to over 6 million spectators each year in the UK alone. 6 million people come and watch this team. That's quite a statistic. Eastridge team, of course, very, very well rehearsed, has to be. For your enjoyment this afternoon. And we like seeing these guys. They've been on local TV, featured in films. And I just did remind you, you might remember many, many years ago, there was a team called Otterly Otterly. And that's who we're looking at today. We're now sponsored by Breitling, who make very nice watches, of course. Here's our child, let's give him away as a Our girls are just adjusting their straps as they climb down onto the front of the wing. This will be interesting. And we call this manoeuvre arabesque. There we are, you can see the girls on the top of the wing there. Onto the wing and stand just in front of the pilot. So we come round once again along the bow line. Now this team are available if you want to book them for a party. They are available. Private parties, corporate events, if you want to impress the neighbours. Give Aero Supermatic support and ask. And show them how much you appreciate them coming to see us here this afternoon at Will with this fantastic display. So don't try this. Oral Stearman, of course, developed in the 1930s as a trainer for the American Air Force, or Army Air Force to be more correct. Many Second World War pilots trained on this airplane, including my father. And was a basic trainer for that. He went on to something maybe like the Harvard, something more complex. Still quite a few still in service in America and in Europe. It's the last pass from the Breitling wing walkers. We're going to say a while here, and thank you as they rock their wings. As they say, the Breitling wing walk team, fabulous display as well. Very on the top wing. They'll stand on an airplane wing. Well, they're on their way back. And they'll be taking frequency to Liverpool.